Tuesday. After a 2-hour train journey, the girl with the curly hair arrives at the venue of the prestigious conference that her place of work, a science measurement and testing company, have organised. It requires an overnight stay. She had not wanted to go. Her colleague Mike had declined to go. The girl with the curly hair eventually negotiated being there for only 2 instead of 3 days. 12 p.m. Arrival. The girl with the curly hair arrives at the grand entrance and anxiously finds reception. The receptionist is busy on the computer. The girl with the curly hair hovers awkwardly.
How do I get her attention?
The girl with the curly hair psychs herself up to say something.
Excuse me, I'm here for the science conference.
The receptionist looks up.
What's your name?
The girl with the curly hair.
Car registration number?
The girl with the curly hair goes blank. She can't remember her car registration number. She phones her dad.
Dad, what's our car registration number?
TG64YXR. Why?
They're asking at reception.
Oh, they only need registration numbers if you need a parking space.
Well, that's confusing. Why didn't she say?
The girl with the curly hair tells the receptionist she came by train.
You're in room D16, across the courtyard, right at the end, down the corridor, up the stairs and left.
Oh goodness, I won't remember that.
Here's the map.
The girl with the curly hair takes the map. She finds maps disorientating.
The concierge will take you to your room.
The girl with the curly hair is grateful for the help, but worries about the forthcoming small talk.